So this year I'm going to be talking in the Future of Security Theatre, powered by Tabcom, and I'm going to be talking about all of these issues, the raising standards, to raise awareness, to raise capability. We currently are lagging behind in our capability to protect our infrastructure, where the attackers, the criminals and the terrorists are racing ahead. And they have great tools available to them. You know, all the time we're seeing them automate the attack capability, whilst at the same time we're basically going on holiday and leaving our front door open. So my presentation this year is very much about helping the communities, the manufacturers, the installers and the end users to understand they need to take on board these standards, they need to embrace these standards, and they need to implement them within their organisations so that we can raise our bar and protect our infrastructure better.